When you are using a filter cartridge, do you have any problems like these? Misalignment of filter, excessive setting time, liquid splatter, dirty gloves and annoying odor, liquid dripping. ROKI TECHNO's original product, Easy Change Capsule Filter, will solve those problems. Easy Change will safely and significantly improve complicated work. Easy Change is a product that has one filter cartridge built in a capsule. And also, we have other type that 7 filters are put together in one capsule. This makes operation easy, safe, and speedy. Easy Change's first feature is easy. Simply set the capsule filter in the special housing base and place a holder. Then secure with a clamp band. The filter base has very minimum contact with the liquid, so it is very easy to clean and minimizes contaminations. Easy Change's second feature is safety. The liquid only passes through the Easy Change capsule, so the liquid does not contact with any part of the body during replacement. I will explain the mechanism of liquid flow. Insert the inlet and outlet ports on the capsule into the 2 holes of the housing base. The hydraulic pressure from the liquid flow allows the liquid to pass through the inlet port. And when the filter is set on the housing base, the check valve actuating pin fixed to the housing pushes the valve in the outlet port up to allow the liquid to flow through. When the filter is replaced, there is no liquid flowing from the inlet port. Meanwhile, the valve on the outlet port automatically closes by spring force, so that the liquid hardly drips from the filter. The inside of the holder will not get contaminated with liquid, thus preventing the operator from contacting with the liquid. And because the liquid is contained in the capsule, it is also preventing the odors to escape. Easy Change's third feature is speedy. This video shows a replacement time of the conventional filter housing compared to Easy Change. By changing your filter to Easy Change, you can reduce the total filter replacement time in about half the time. By using the included bypass capsule, the housing base can be cleaned simultaneously with the line cleaning, which also reduces the total cleaning time. The process is very easy. The bypass capsule has the passage for liquid to pass through, so simply insert the bypass capsule to the housing. The housing and the line would be cleaned together by running cleaning water or cleaning solvent. By using the bypass capsule, the cleaning time can be reduced to about 1/7 compared to the conventional filter housing. Easy Change makes improving production process and safety improvement possible at the same time with the 3 advantages of easy, safe, and speedy. Easy Change can be used for various lengths of filters with the same housing base. The different lengths can be selected according to the customer's production volume. Please contact us for any inquiries.